In this video, I will guide you through on how to erase a drawing in Adobe Acrobat. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Also, a little disclaimer. I would like to inform before starting this video that you might not be able to see the toolbar, but I don't think that will be that much of a deal because I will be going to guide you through every step. So just follow along. So the first step would be go for the toolbar. I don't think that would be that much of a hassle because I'm pretty confident you'll be able to see and find the toolbar. So go to the toolbar. That's your first step. And you have to, okay, let's draw something first, okay? Before erasing something, let's draw something. So this is something, okay? I just draw. And now in order to erase this, you have to go to the toolbar again and look for an eraser icon that is usually at the maybe at the 7th. So if you go from the bottom, you can see not at the bottom but usually at the last, you can see that icon of eraser. And so go to the eraser icon, that's at the 7th place, I guess. So tap into the eraser icon, and once you tap into the eraser icon, simply go and erase it. As you can see, you might feel like you can still see the mark, as if like in real life while you're erasing something, you can still see some like translation mark. It's just giving the same effect, but don't you worry, because after you leave this, it will be like more neat and clean. See, that's what I was talking about. So this is basically how you erase a drawing. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our video. Thank you for watching.